for taking the spot. She said she wanted a challenge, and I'll be damned she's gonna get one tonight.
Great store.
So without further ado, let's get it started.
I'm the girl you're thinking about, the one thing you can live without. Yeah, I'm the girl you've been waiting for. I have you down on your knees, I love you begging for more. You probably thought I wouldn't get this far. You thought I'd end up in the back of a car. You probably thought that I'd never escape. I'd be around in a cage and be enslaved to this place. You don't know how hard I fought to survive, waking up alone when I was left to die. And you don't know about this life I've led, all these roads I walk, all these stairs I climb. So how can this be? You're praying to me. There's a look in your eyes, I know just what that means. That I can be your everything. I can be your heart. I am the tie you created. I am the center, I am your heart. But let me tell you something, baby. You love me for everything you hate me for. I'm the one that you need and fear. Now that your hooked, it's all becoming clear. And all your trust that you placed on me was a reflection of discovery. So maybe next time when you cast your stones from the shadows of the dark unknown, you will crawl up from your hiding place and take a look in the mirror. See that's all that you're fine. So how can this be? You're praying to me. There's a look in your eyes, I know just what that means. I can be your everything. I can be your heart. I am the tie you created. I am the center, I am your heart. But let me tell you something, baby. You love me for everything you hate me for.
Your winner by Red Stoppers, TKO, and new 155 women champion Adrian. And happy birthday to you.
Yep, I got it.
And she loves Jack and Coke. Hey, like I was telling everybody before you got out here, and congratulations, by the way. How we book opponents for you, and they fall out like flies, man. It's ridiculous. But thanks, Joey, Emerson for stepping up. True soldier. And like I said, everybody here loves you, man. You know what I mean? So tell us a little bit what, hey, happy birthday. Just talk to us.
Thank you, everybody, for coming out. I greatly appreciate it. 6-hour drive down here. Y'all make it completely worth it. Thank you again.
Thank you, girl.